This is the unboxing and review of a wireless lock by ZKTeco. Dude, what are you doing? You should be filming. What are you doing with the lock? Why would you even take it out?
Dude, I just took it out for a minute to see how it works.
Come on, man. I need to do the unboxing on camera. Just give me the lock. Let me put it back in the box.
Okay, I'll put it back.
Let's watch this intro while I put this back in. What's up everybody, my name is Sean, welcome to my tech channel. If this is the first time you're stopping by, thank you so much. If you enjoy tech content like this, please remember to subscribe and turn on the notification. If you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for all your support and coming back for another video. So today we are checking out this wireless lock by ZKTeco. Full disclosure, they sent me this product for free for me to review, but I will give you my honest opinion. I'm gonna go through an unboxing, I'm gonna try to install it and use the product, set it up, and give you my opinion about its pros and cons. Let's get started. ZKTeco Wireless Connect Residential and Commercial Use Smart Door Lock. You can download the app on the App Store and on Google Play. ZK Smart Key, free door lock management software for mobile devices. By simply clicking a button on the smartphone apps, the door will be opened and you no longer need to carry keys with you in your bags anymore. You can also use your fingerprints, a security code, proximity cards to be able to unlock. Same information on all four sides. Owner's manual, quick start guide, installation guide. Let's see. This is the lock, and in the back looks like we have this protective layer. I'm not sure what it's for, but we're gonna figure it out. Not sure what that is for. And the outside piece. So first impression, this has very high quality build to it. It has a bit of a weight to it. I don't know the official weight, but I will guess this is at least 2 pounds, just this outside piece. So I know I'm probably gonna get a lot of feedback for this and comments below, but let me tell you what happened. I took out all the equipment, the tools, the pieces, and I started reviewing the installation guide, which is very detailed, thorough with pictures. And I realized in order for me to be able to install this, because of its size and its weight, there's going to be an additional hole that I need to drill into my door, and I need to make that permanent alteration. For personal reasons, I'm not able to make that change right now. I know I was very disappointed in myself, but at a minimum, I figured since I've already unboxed this, I will go ahead trying to give you a rundown of highlights of the features that this lock will offer. First, let's start with the price. This unit retails for $190. I have a link down in the description below. I should also be able to get a discount code of I think 12%. As soon as I get that, I will also put that in the description as well. They have another unit without the fingerprint scanner, but that one is only $10 less. So instead of $190, you will pay $180. Also, if you need to purchase additional proximity cards, it comes with 5, but each additional proximity card costs $20. That is also available in the Amazon store, and I will include the link down in the description below. The build quality, the look, the fit and finish, I will definitely give this a 5-star. The ease of installation, I will give this a 3 out of 5 stars because it's not a simple swap of your existing door lock. Amazon also offers, I think, a $98 installation service. So if you want to buy it and you don't want to mess with the installation yourself, you can actually get help from Amazon to install this door lock for you. When it comes to the features of this unit, I will give this a 4 out of 5 stars. First, let me tell you all the things I absolutely love about this. Number one, which is the simplest but most important feature of this device, is how easy it is to change the battery. My existing door lock, in order for me to change the 4 AA batteries, I have to actually take the unit off using a special Allen wrench that is provided for me to be able to access the battery housing. But in this unit, you can simply open it up, and this is inside your door, so people won't have access to it. If your lock ever runs out of battery, you don't have to worry about getting locked out of your house. The outside unit has a 9-volt battery connection right underneath the outside unit, and you'll be able to plug that in, get enough juice in this unit to be able to put in your passcode, use the fingerprints, or use your proximity card to be able to gain access to your unit. Most Bluetooth devices that will let you open the door, obviously with the key, with your app using Bluetooth, or using a keypad. This, in addition to those options, you also have fingerprint scanner as well as a proximity card, which makes it absolutely fantastic. Some of the other cool features are creating a random password remotely and text it to a visitor that you have to be able to get in the house. You're also able to set automatic time zone to let someone at a specific time of the day, week, month to be able to get in and out of your house. You can also see which user is unlocking the door. The app will track all that information for you. The reason I'm giving this a 4-star, not 5, is the fact that it does not connect to your existing or any smart home for that matter through Zigbee or some of the other protocols that are available out there. So for example, if I leave the house and I forget whether I locked my door or not, I won't be able to see that, nor I'll have access to remotely lock my door. And if it just had that one feature, this would be the ultimate perfect lock that is available out there. But probably it wouldn't be for 190 bucks. So this was the list of all the pros and cons of this lock. Build quality, 5 stars. Ease of installation, 3 stars, and features, 4 stars. If you consider buying one, there is a link down in the description below. I will be giving away this unit, and all you need to do, subscribe, turn on the notification, like this video, and comments down below. Let me know how and where you will be using this lock. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.